Hello, my name is Sahil, the developer of Mimikree, and today I am going to show you the beautiful demonstration of the application. Mimikree is not just an AI that knows you, but an AI that is you. Today, I'm going to show you the features and use cases of Mimikree. You'll see how to add your own data to the platform, chat with your personalized AI, and even share it with others. I'll also walk you through the brand new leaderboard feature, so stay tuned and watch till the end. This is just the old video. Don't worry, it's getting replaced with the one you're watching now. Jokes apart, now let me show you the demo AI, which is actually my personalized AI, which you can try without signing up. Here's the interface, filled with a bunch of example prompts you can try out. Let's say someone wants to know, well, in this case, me, what projects I've worked on. Just type it in and leave the rest to the AI. And voila! It beautifully pulls up the projects I've worked on straight from my data. Now, let's see how you can build your own AI just like this. We'll head back to the main menu and simply log in. Now here, you'll see two options. Either chat with your model or add data to it. But before you start chatting, make sure to add some data to your model. You can feed in various types of data, like this self-assessment form that covers your communication style, personality traits, a short description about you, your interests, and hobbies. You can also link your public social profiles by simply adding usernames or URLs. Then, upload some PDFs, though it's limited to 5 pages for now. As for images, no limit there, so feel free to go wild. Finally, you can review everything you've added and go through the terms and conditions. Top secret: Mimikree keeps your data 100% secure. Once you accept the terms, just hit submit, and boom, your model is ready to test. We're back on the main page, and now that the data's in, it's time to test out the model. Take a deep breath, because things are about to get really interesting. Here, you can see some of my chats with the model. They're a bit personal, but hey, I'll let you in. Let's pick this one, where I asked my Mimikree model to write a tweet about my latest project. And look at that. It not only recognized my recent work, but crafted a tweet that perfectly fits my style. All right, let's create a new chat and interact with our model a bit. Let's ask it, what's the next project I can build based on my current work? Now, this really puts the model to the test. It needs to understand what I've already done and what I'm actually interested in. Whoa, look at that. My Mimikree model just suggested to build an AI-powered personal assistant system based on my existing projects and my interests. It even recommends adding a smart calendar scheduling feature, which, fun fact, is already a part of Mimikree. Cool, right? I'll show you that in just a second. It also suggested using a tech stack I'm already familiar with, because that's exactly what we asked the model to do. This is just one use case. Trust me, there are billions more. As promised, let's jump into the Google Calendar integration. Here, you can easily connect your Google Calendar to Mimikree. Oh, and sorry to break your flow, but quick heads up. You can also share your Mimikree model with friends, family, even your enemies if you want. All right, back to the calendar. No more interruptions. Let's ask the model if I've got anything coming up this week. It scans my calendar and shows when I'll be busy. Ah, looks like I've got nothing scheduled. Maybe it's time to upgrade Mimikree. But if you have stuff lined up, your Mimikree model will let you, and others, know whenever prompted. Cool, right? But hey, there's more to Mimikree. You can actually rate every model on the platform. Here's mine. Go ahead, rate it now. I'll wait. Done? Awesome. These ratings directly impact your position on the leaderboard. Wondering where to find that? Don't worry, I got you. Just head back to the main page and click on the leaderboard tab. Here, you'll see all users ranked by their model's performance. And yes, you can also see your position too. Now, the rankings are based on a unique metric called the credibility score. It's a mix of your average rating multiplied by the number of ratings, plus something we call the data completeness score. What's that? Simple. You get brownie points for adding more data. So, the more detailed your model, the better your interactions, and the higher you climb on the leaderboard. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed exploring Mimikree as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Go ahead, create your own AI, play around with it, share it, rate others, and climb that leaderboard. Also, don't be shy. There's a feedback section on the website, so drop your thoughts or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool stuff coming your way. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep building with Mimikree.